Hello everyone, my name is Sana Mahajan. I'm a legal intern in Lexis Company, and today's topic of mine is upon the topic related to tort. And there is a question related to it that why tort is civil wrong but not criminal wrong as per law. The word tort is originated from the French language and it is equivalent to the English word that is the wrong, which is derived and from the medieval Latin word tortum, which means wrong or any injury. A tort arises when a person's duty towards others is affected. An individual who commits a tort is called as tortfairer or the wrongdoer, and where there is a multiple individuals involved, they are also called as the joint tortfarers or the joint tort wrong and doers, and their wrongdoing is called as the tortious act, and they can be sued jointly or individually. The main aim of the law of tort is to provide compensation to the victims, and here are some essential elements of the tort. Firstly, a wrongful act or omission, duty imposed by the law, and thirdly, the act must give rise to the legal or the actual damage, and it should be of such a nature that it should give rise to a legal remedy and into form action for damages. Let us know about the wrongful act under the tort. A wrongful act can be either morally wrong or legally wrong, and can also be both at the same time. A legal wrongful act is one which affects one's legal right, and the wrongful act must be one recognized by law, and the act must be violation of the law to be legal wrongful act. And what is the duty imposed by law under the tort? A duty is compared is one which is imposed on every individual and requires a standard of reasonable care that he could see as being human being or a harmful towards others, and hence a duty imposed by law is a duty which is legally enforceable in India. Is legal damage under the law of torts. Literally meaning of a damage is to affect the injuriously to a particular victim or a particular person, and the term damage is often confused with the term damage. While they may look similar, but they have different meaning. As significant, damages refers to the compensation sought for, and while the damage refers to the actual loss or the injury. And why tort is considered as a civil wrong and not a criminal wrong? Let us know about it. To understand this, we should firstly know about an importance of the famous case, that is Mr. X is a person randomly entered into a person's house and used their swimming pool. Now in this case there hasn't been any actual harm to the person whose swimming is used, but his right is violated. So, trespasses of a type of tort like negligence, defamation, etc., are also considered as tort, and is not actual harm is committed to a particular person, but the right of the person gets violated in this case. And the case of it is a case of defamation. When you use wrong words about a person, it will not cause any actual injury or damage to the person, but he will be affected as his respect in honor in struck by your words. And thus with this it is a civil wrong but not a criminal wrong, because the person does not get actual injury or a physical injury caused. Let us know about what is the difference between the tort and the crime. Tort is a suit which is filed, but in a criminal cases, criminal prosecution is filed against a person facing the charges, and tort is a private wrong, and as well as you commit a tort, only a person or a few are affected, but in crime it is a public wrong because it impacts the whole society in large. And a tort person who filed a case is called as plaintiff, whereas in criminal proceeding the state or the party who is done a case is known as a prosecution. Guys, this was all about the law of tort as per related to civil wrong, and please subscribe this channel Lexis.